Hi folks, welcome to episode 1 of DPF Doctor TV. Just to give you a little bit idea what we're going to be doing, we've decided to do weekly roundup video to tell you what's happening with the DPF Doctor, what's going on with the network, and give some bits of useful, helpful information, helpful tips to the general public that may not be aware of how to look after the DPF properly and stuff like that. So we'll be giving a few little helpful things away to people to hopefully help them look after the car, and also to help show people in the trade that we are a little bit different. We're a professional network and we are all proper technicians. So we'll try and make things a little bit interesting for you. So this is episode 1. So just to kind of let you know what's going to be happening. So some recent great stuff with the network. We haven't posted much about it since coming back. Where recently, a couple of weeks ago, we were down at Top Technician Final. We had a great presence of DPF Doctor technicians there. And we were absolutely delighted that Sean Miller, our Newbury agent, was the winner. Also last year's winner, one of us, Carl Weaver. It was great to see him on the actual judging panel for the first time this year. So well done, guys. Also Nigel Yardley there, and Neil Curry as well. So great, well done to them guys. It was also great to meet some really driven, high-end technicians that that had a real buzz around the event, and it was fantastic for us. So gave us a little bit of a lift coming back, and keen to sort of keep pushing forward and keep doing things how we do things. So it was great to meet some of them guys there that we just met for the first time as well. Following weekend, we attended Auto Technicians, big day out. So again, there was a few guys from various locations from the DPF Doctor there, and well done guys. Hosted, obviously it was Auto Technician running it, but it was presented by James Dillon and Andy Crooks, to two real high-end automotive trainers there. Some fantastic content, very interactive. So anyone in the trade that hasn't been to that day out, there's another one, I think it's in October, and it's going to be Nottingham. Put it in your diary, look for that and go, because it was great, the stuff that we picked up. So the training was brilliant, but the thing that made it really different was the way it made you think. It completely changed your mindset of approaching the job and stuff like that. There was a lot of psychology thrown in there and stuff as well. So can explain to me why I'm always tired when I'm thinking too much. So cheers for that, Andy. But brilliant event. So if you're in the trade, you should look out for that one in October. So again, this is just episode 1. Next week what we'll do is we'll come and tell you what we've been up to, what's going on with the network, and we'll give some helpful stuff away, information that will help the general public to look after the vehicles with DPF, and we'll answer some false things that are out there that people are doing wrong. So we'll see you all next week for episode 2 of the DPF Doctor TV. Thanks for watching.